Alright, we are filming for the first time on the new phone. Woo! I'm not super bundled. I just kind of have on my regular coat because it's in the 40s, in the mid 40s. And hence, I don't know if you can tell back there, like it's a bit foggy. It was rainy all day yesterday. Still slightly wet on the ground, but it's not misting or actively raining at the moment. But we are on our way to the gym, and I get to have, because I have access to YouTube in my account, I can play music with my friend while we work out. And it seems like it's going to be a peaceful day. This is my last week for instructing my workout classes. And yeah, then the floors are getting redone. So there would have been 2 more, but the floors are getting redone. And during finals week, and then the university closes for 2 weeks for the rest of the year, and I'm off the rest of the year. This is the first day. Hooray! This is the first day that we're off from. Well, I'm off from my work as well. So we are gonna be doing mega baking today because I need it. I just remembered that I forgot my yoga mat, but it's too late. I can just get one from there. But we got wrapping to do. Like I said, we got to really get into the Christmas stuff because we haven't baked for these whole 10 days. And I was like, I don't know why Mom didn't bake. And she was too busy watching those Korean, Chinese, and Japanese dramedy, comedy dramas. all encompassing. But, and she goes, they're addicting. I know, Mom, they're meant to be. So yes, and my brother and Mom are going to go to the store in Ontario. They're going to go to the stores, like to the malls and stuff that are about 20 minutes away. I am not going to go with them because I am working out. They want to go around 11:30, and it's like 11:15 right now. But yeah, I just woke up and like had a meal replacement shake, just did morning routine stuff, brushing of the hair, changing the clothes, stuff like that. I woke up kind of late too, like around 10:20, because I was up late editing the videos and stuff. So yeah. So come along with me for the rest of our fun, hopefully fun day, at least fun for me, fun for Vlogmas. Well, stop it. Getting our workouts in on the elliptical. I'm with Will. You can't see him though. And even if you could, you couldn't because he doesn't do that. But yeah, that's why I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing on the elliptical, working out, and then I have my yoga class. Woo woo! Okay, so you didn't see me in a car last time, but I have this stuff to drop off. I'm at the Salvation Army because we have some donations to give, like we did the angel tree thing. So gotta drop that off before I forget. Come on. Okay, so I finished dropping that stuff off. I have on a cookie apron and have some cookies out. And I'm also making, because I'm starving, this is some a shrimp scampi. It says penne pasta and savory, buttery, creamy wine sauce. Pasta bowl. It's not like doesn't look like it's like claiming to be super healthy, but Peaches knows that I don't cook. I have a Merry Christmas songs, and I really need to get baking after I eat because we have not done any, and I have to pretty much bake the rest of the day and all day tomorrow to catch back up. So So I'm going to eat this. This is what it looks like. And here it looks pretty good, I think, for a like ready-made thing. Bon appetit. Or hit the reverse button instead of the stop button. You know, that works too. Also, I realized I've been committing a crime against Christmas. I haven't used my Christmas gingerbread mug once. So we're using it today. I have water in the kettle as we speak. The first dough is made and getting chilled. And look, the Miss Prindables apples came. These are delicious and amazing and wonderful. And I still have a bunch of cranberries. With baking comes the mess. But we're not cleaning up yet because we got more to go. Because since we have 2 mixers and clean, one's getting used. Next batch. Let's go. The snickerdoodles, and then these, they look a little gloopy, but they're the coffee cookies. They were in that. Okay, so we have the snickerdoodles here, the coffee cappuccino royale coffee cookies here, and then I have also just begun the regular chocolate chips, which I have over here, finishing up the last batches of the mess while watching Holiday in Handcuffs. Hello, I love the Christmas lights. Is there anything prettier than the glow of Christmas lights? I don't know. And are you guys afraid of porcelain dolls? I know a lot of people who are creeped out by them, but I love them. I think they're so sweet and beautiful. I adore them. Maybe it's because I have a sentimental connection, though, because my grandmother, Eleanor, gave me a bunch of them, and several of my really good friends, one of whom passed away, not last year, but the year before, he gave me a handful of them, too. So maybe that's why I think they're beautiful. But yeah, I was baking for about 4 hours straight, and got the 3 cookies that I made down there done, and then I delegated to Mother. I had some flour mixture and some sugars and stuff set out, and she was like, "Oh, what are you making now?" I'm like, "You're making this next batch of cookies. You're making the chocolate chip with nuts. You haven't baked anything yet this year." So get to. So yeah, I delegated to her, and we were watching a bunch of Christmas movies. We watched The Sweetest, Saddest One, which is 3 days. We watched both the It's Christmas Time, Charlie Brown, It's Christmas Time Again. Some merry festive tunes. And then, what else did we watch? Holiday in Handcuffs. I think I mentioned that one. That one's just a funny little romantic comedy. But yeah, we were watching a whole bunch of Christmas movies back to back. I have decided to relocate to my bedroom to chill out for a little while. I have my green tea, the liquid death one. It's the green guillotine. I wish the cans weren't like the tall boy style, but whatever. Just gonna sip on that. Yeah, have my candle lit, my Christmas candle that smells like evergreen, and just gonna chill up here for a while whilst Mother does some baking downstairs. I washed the dishes from dinner and everything. My dad had tacos, everybody else had a burger. Just some homemade burgers, and I don't remember where the fries were from. They weren't homemade fries, though. Not as good. Not by a long shot. But that's okay. Yeah, so it's about 6:45 right now. Like I said, I'm up here. I'm gonna rest for a little while. And I have another Vlogmas video, day 8, I believe I need to put up and edit. And then I should be all caught up. Yes. And maybe later I will wrap some Christmas presents. There she is. I made her make these. I was like, you don't have any excuses. I have all the ingredients set out for you except the eggs. So everyone, I'm sorry about the pizzelles. It looks like I'm going to make those this year, and the nut horns and the pumpkin roll. I guess that's on me because this one's just not doing it. Did you see her face when I said I was going to make the pizzelles? No one else is allowed to make the pizzelles and the nut horns because she's such a fuss pants about it. And so I was like, oh, if I say this, I bet it'll make her give me a look. And it did. And
like,
then...
You're going to make pizzelles?
Okay. I can't even make waffles, but sure, let me make a pizzelle. And also, I didn't get into my advent calendar. I have a milk chocolate covered marshmallow from the Doors today. I'm just in my editor, just editing away. Alright, so I put a face mask on. I don't mind that a little bit's getting in my hair and stuff because I'm going to pop in the shower after it gets hardened. I just put it on like a second ago. I might still have like some stuff on my hands from it. So here's what I've been doing. I made my holiday playlist for my workout class. It's not all holiday songs, but quite a few. Of course, I can't show it here on YouTube because of copyright, but I just play the playlist in my workout class. It's not streamed or anything. And then I had several holes. Let me try to find them here. Because now they're sewed, so you can't see them as well. But yeah, there were a couple places where there were some holes that I needed to fix in my beloved and well-used sleeping bag. So I have my sewing stuff right here. It's hard to sew and hold the phone at the same time. And it's not that exciting to watch, really. So I was doing that, and it is now 10:30, and I was editing the video and I had to get all that sorted. So I think I'm going to call it here for the night because I'm just going to go take a bath or a shower, whatever I decide to do. And yeah, unless I end up using like one of my Lush bath bombs, I might pop in here. So, hold that thought. Why does this not want, it never wants, there we go. I use the gingerbread Lush bath bomb, and it does this little swirly business. That's cute. Brought my candle in, and yes, that is it for Vlogmas Day 10. I will see you tomorrow. This face mask is drying really hard, and yeah, more Vlogmas holiday shenanigans to come. Bye, little baby man.